and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to make another Starbucks drink. It is in their Refresher series. It's one of their pink drinks. It's going to be mango dragon fruit lemonade. For this we are going to use 3 different types of fruits. We're going to use dragon fruit, we're going to use mango, and for my lemonade I'm going to use lime. A bit of a background here. Dragon fruits are tropical fruits with a lot of health benefits. For me, the taste is somewhat similar to a kiwi, but firmer, crunchier. That's what I love about it. In Southeast Asia, Thailand is the second largest grower next to Vietnam. So I am not going to use any of them synthetic dragon fruit. I'm going to use fresh dragon fruit for my drinks. And of course, mango is also abundant where I am, so I'm going to use fresh mangoes. And for the lime, definitely there's a lot of lime here in Thailand. Now I'm going to make this into 2-part series. The first part, I am going to show you how to make a simple dragon fruit syrup. Delicious, and it is absolutely very red. You might ask, why would you want to make your own dragon fruit syrup at home? Why don't you just buy them? Number one, it's probably not easily available. And for those that do not have easy access to dragon fruit, you can buy frozen ones and make it last longer by making a lot of syrup from one fruit. Now, dragon fruit comes in 2 colors that when you cut them open, one is white color and the other is red color. For my dragon fruit syrup, I am going to use the one with the red meat so that I come up with a red colored syrup. If you're using the white meat dragon fruit, then you'll come up with something like a clear colored syrup. Aside from the color, red dragon fruit tastes better than the white dragon fruit varieties. Let's start with cutting up our dragon fruit. To cut it up, what you need to do is to cut both sides, both ends. And look at that red color. This is what I'm saying. This is absolutely gorgeous. And then we're going to cut up into quarters. Dragon fruit is easy to peel, so all you have to do here is to take off the peel, and then we're going to cut them up into smaller pieces. Now let's make our sugar syrup. What we need, our dragon fruit, water, and sugar. Into a saucepan, place the water and the slices of your dragon fruit. Bring the water to a boil. When the water starts to boil, add your sugar. Put the lid on and let it simmer for about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, the sugar would have been fully dissolved. Turn off the heat and let it cool down. Let it cool down overnight to let the dragon fruit fully infuse with the sugar syrup and get that delicious flavor. Now this syrup can be kept for up to 1 month refrigerated. Now this is completely cooled down and let's take a look. Wow! Look at the texture of this dragon fruit syrup. What I'm going to do first is to use a strainer. So I'm going to take out all the bits to make it easier for me to strain it. Okay, we're not going to throw this away. This is definitely going to be used in my smoothie. And now I'm going to strain it into my pitcher here. Now look at the color of this syrup. It is absolutely looking fantastic. And also I'm going to transfer this into a bottle for easy application and storage. This bottle of dragon fruit syrup is also a perfect gift for friends and family. Wow, now I have bottled my homemade dragon fruit syrup here. It is absolutely gorgeous. Although I started with 250 ml of water and 250 grams of sugar, my yield is this bottle, which is 350 ml and a bit, which I'm going to use later. So some of the liquid have evaporated and also been absorbed by the dragon fruit. Before I end this video clip, of course, I have to try this and let you know how does a homemade dragon fruit syrup taste like. First, the aroma. The fragrance of the fruit is retained with the syrup. The sweetness is further enhanced. It was sweet when we started, and it is absolutely sweeter and more delicious when it's turned into a sugar syrup. And of course, everything is all natural, naturally red. No artificial coloring at all. That is the taste of my syrup. Now, how about this one, the one that I have boiled with my sugar? For those of you that are at home, you might start drooling because this is absolutely looking so good. Let's see how they taste like. Wow. I love the taste of dragon fruit in itself, but once you boiled it with sugar, it's sweeter. It just enhanced the flavor of this fruit, and those seeds simply pops in my mouth. Absolutely delicious. I can't wait to try this with my mango dragon fruit refresher in part 2. So stay tuned for that. If you haven't yet clicked subscribe to this channel, click that subscribe button now for more of these video tutorials. In the meantime, stay safe, stay tuned. Thank you for watching. See you in part 2. Ciao for now.